Hi, this is Chris, and today we have from Total Parts, and today we have a 2020 Ford Ranger Raptor dual cab ute, stock reference number 4828. The shape runs from the 6th month 2018 and is the current shape. It has a YN2S 2-litre 4-cylinder biturbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. YN2S 2-litre biturbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left rear factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, tidy rear bumper, tow bar, suit Raptor with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate has one small dent, camera type, Raptor badge. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey leather and cloth interior. Centre console in leather with blue stitching. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory satnav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type in black, left hand sun visor in black, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. Raptor-type steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.